Hello everyone, my name is Grashka and I'm the Pokemon card collector. On today's video we got Crown Zenith tin with Articuno, Galarian Articuno. I never opened those tins. Let's have a look at what we got inside. Looking quite nice, that card in there. A promo card with Articuno. Looking very nice. A code card for you guys. And we got 5 booster packs. Alright, let's open up and have a look what we got inside. And before we start to open it, just go ahead and press that subscribe button for upcoming videos. I will try to upload at least 2 or 3 videos every week. A code card for you. Nice Galarian Gallery card with Ponchina. And oh nice, requires a VMAX. A double hit on this one. Next one. Code card. Oh, nice, the Aurora V-Star. And non-hollow Luxray. Alright, to the next one. A code card. Reverse Hollow Chatot and non-hollow Veilord. A code card. reverse hollow Leon, and non-hollow Volcarona. And the last one from that tin. A code card. Reverse hollow Kjorg, and non-hollow Executor. So yeah, not that bad from that tin. I like that promo card. Few cards from the Galarian Gallery, and one V-Star with Rayquaza. Alright, if you like the video, press the like button and don't forget to subscribe. And thanks for watching it. See you on the next one.